Do you want to know how you can reset your password in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset your password in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream by Wombo on your phone. Now tap on your profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner, and click on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Reset Password. Tap Reset Password and click Send Instructions. An email to reset your password has been sent, so go ahead and open your email. Tap on the mail sent by Wombo and click on this link over here. You might notice that it has taken you to a password changing site, so you can go ahead and write down your new password now. After you write down your new password, click Save. You can see that your Wombo password has been reset. I hope this video about how you can reset your password in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.